In this series, we will be talking about 10 text functions that are commonly used in Excel. Some text functions require an elaborate explanation. We will discuss them separately in the next videos. The first function is upper. As the name suggests, it expects a string as input and converts all the letter in uppercase characters. The second function is lower. It is similar to upper. Instead of converting to uppercase, it converts to lowercase. Proper function converts the text string to proper case. The first letter is uppercase for all words, while the remaining are lowercase. Trim function removes all spaces from our text strings apart from the single spaces between words. So if we have multiple spaces in the beginning or at the end, they will be removed. The clean function removes all non-printable characters from our text string. For example, here we have a non-printable character and it got removed. Char function returns the character specified by the code number from the character set of your computer. For example, our character capital A has a code or value of 65 while Z has 90 and so on. Whatever code number we specify, it returns the corresponding character. Code is opposite of char. It returns the code number on the basis of the character we provide it as an input. Length function returns the number of character in a string. For example, it returned 10 for tech coach because of the space in the middle. Exact function checks whether two strings are exactly the same and it returns true or false on the basis of that. The main thing is that exact function is case sensitive. For example, if we do a simple comparison between these two values, it returned true. But if we use the exact function for this comparison, it returned false. These two strings have case difference. If we compare these two strings, it is returning true because they are alike both in terms of text and case. Let's talk about concat function, which concatenates a list of range of strings. For example, here we have first name, middle name and last name and we want to concatenate them to form full name. We can do that using concat. Here we don't have any spaces, but we can add them in concat by manually adding spaces in between middle and last name. For that, we write a comma followed by double quotes and space. We repeat the same again and now we have a proper full name with spaces. Instead of using concat, we can also use AND operator to combine strings and to obtain the same result. Here we select the first name and then we use AND operator for combining it with middle and another AND operator to combine with last. We can also add spaces in a similar fashion. We just need to add AND again along with double quotes and space. These functions are common across most tools and technologies and we will use them often. They might have slight difference in the writing syntax, but the underlying logic remains the same.